Guys, we're making blue ball shorts, and this video is brought to you by Manscaped, the only brand dedicated to below the waist hygiene. Your balls will thank you. Okay, so this is their new Perfect Package 3.0 that they just sent me, along with their new Lawnmower 3.0 water-resistant trimmer. So I got a bag, got a newspaper, got some of their additional products, a t-shirt, Manscaped, your balls will thank you, some underwear, they know I got holes in my drawers, and guys, check this out. You got a ball deodorant and a ball toner, right? Now, think about it. Use deodorant under your arms, because under your arms are smelly, right? But for guys, what's the smelliest part of our body? Okay, you need ball deodorant, all right? And this right here is the new Lawnmower 3.0, designed for groin grooming. Dude, I love this company. Come with a little light, a little shaver, bang. So if you go to manscaped.com right now and use the code Tipsy, you get 20% off, plus free international shipping, plus 2 free gifts, okay? Let's go and make these blue ball shorts, okay? They're so cool, right? Because other brands, no, you can't make blue ball shorts. Manscaped, go right ahead. So we hit it with some coconut rum. Then we come behind that coconut rum with some peach schnapps. Then you follow that peach schnapps with some sweet and sour. You come behind that sweet and sour with some blue Curacao, my boys, okay? Look at that. And you want these super blue, because remember now, these blue balls. And you give this a nice shake. I'm one of the first to get this package, right? This new 3.0. And when they sent it to me, like I was so busy laughing, and then I realized, really, I should actually be using that. And there you have it, blue ball shorts. Delicious, fun. Ooh. I always love those, okay? No one's ever ordered it at Bar for some reason. I wonder why. But dude, you gotta love their slogan. Your balls will thank you. That is the coolest freaking slogan ever. So remember, go to manscaped.com, use the code Tipsy, get 20% off, plus free shipping, plus 2 free gifts, okay? So do that now. And ladies, gift it to a guy, because some guys will be like, well, I don't know, I'm okay. Send it through the message, you ain't gonna say nothing, just be like, yeah, okay? Go in, because guess what? I never use the products people send me. But I definitely use this just to see. All right? Later, stay tipsy. Thank you, Manscaped.